This is a demonstration of a digital business automation solution for new account opening. We'll see a customer, Karen Gant, fill out an online form, which will start a case to open a new account at Focus Finance. The first step is identity verification. A Know Your Customer specialist will examine the identity, which will lead to a new account specialist requesting additional documentation from Karen. Once Karen submits her ID, it is verified and the application process can proceed to completion. We'll close by showing some dashboards and reports available to the account supervisor. Karen Gant wants to open a new bank account. She visits the Focus Finance website and selects the Open an Account button. This presents an electronic form for Karen to fill out. The form captures Karen's information, like address and citizenship. Karen provides financial profile information. She specifies the account type, initial contribution, and funding method. Since she is not a U.S. citizen, Karen will be required to attach a W-8 BEN. Now she submits the application. The form automatically launches a case to process the new account opening request. The first step is a workflow for identity verification, as you can see in the task portal. Let's take a quick look at the workflow diagram to get a better feel about what's going on. The workflow engine automatically calls a web service to calculate confidence. If the validation fails, then a Know Your Customer specialist will manually handle the identity verification. So the KYC specialist will open this task in the work dashboard. Observe the confidence level down at the bottom. This is a low confidence, which causes the KYC specialist to reject the application. This rejection launches a case task for a new account specialist to reach out to Karen and resolve the issue. The new account specialist receives a new work item in her work queue to resolve the identity verification issue. Notice that the priority of this work item has been set to silver. This was calculated based on a business decision. Business decisions easily automate complex rules, enabling quick responses to ever-changing market, compliance, and organizational changes. The calculation for the priority evaluated Karen's income, net worth, and credit score, implemented as a decision table, a convenient way of viewing and managing large sets of similar rules. Meanwhile, the new account opening specialist opens the work item in a case view. The case page provides the worker with all the information Focus Finance has on Karen. For example, you can see that we have information about the account request itself. We also have the ability to manage and organize documents that are part of this request. The new account specialist can open the W-8 BEN in an HTML5 viewer and even annotate with a sticky note if needed. Notice the to-do list. This guides the new account opening specialist through the steps needed to complete the current tasks. There's only one to do right now: validate identity. The solution keeps details on related case requests, like previously submitted applications. The new account specialist contacts Karen to provide more proof of identification. The new account opening specialist places the request in a pending state until Karen has provided the documentation. At home, Karen receives the correspondence, and she securely sends an image of her license to Focus Corp. To save time, we'll manually add it here. Browse Navigator UI and drag and drop. Add the account number and indicate that it is an ID. Back at Focus Corp, the new account opening specialist sees a new item in the My Work queue. It's the missing ID for Karen, automatically rendezvoused with the case. Since the job is to review this document, we've automatically displayed the document for her. That looks correct. The request is now unpended so the specialist can complete processing. Opening the supporting documents folder, she sees the identification has been filled. She has validated the identity and she selects complete. She can go on to other tasks in her work queue now. To close out this demo, let's see some of the manager reports that the team supervisor has access to monitor progress of the new account specialist team. Perhaps she selects the request that we've been working for Karen Gant. She can see that the stages up top provide an immediate visual indication regarding the progression of the new account request. You can see we are waiting for it to be fulfilled. Here are all the documents in the case. Notice this icon indicates that the account application document has been placed under Records Management Control. Selecting the Task tab, she can see that the account has been opened and the welcome package has been sent. Notice managers also have the ability to visualize. The timeline shows progression of tasks, work items, and events for the case. You can expand the case to see which user performed which step, what their decision was, and when they did it. Maybe the manager wants a report. Every step in the process is tracked so we can report on the case level, task level, and user level. Account opening inefficiencies can ruin customer experiences right from the start. By eliminating inefficiencies with digital business automation, organizations are able to reduce costs and attract and retain customers. In this demo, we saw workflow, case, and decisions all connected into a single Navigator UI to provide the new account team with the right information and automation to perform their jobs and make a new customer happy.